Hello, everyone. My name is Sophia, and I'm one of the members of the Neukol team. Today, I'd like to talk about what kind of actions we can do before the class. So let me just open the software. Yes, if you have any class ID, you can enter and join the class, or you can quickly start your room, also book the room, and experience the room if you have need to preparation some before the class. You can experience the room. You can't also invite any people. So here's the calendar, and this is your scheduled courses or classes. So how to schedule these classes? We can go to the administration back office. Yeah, here's our back office. Here's the sections. I need the courses section. So if I'd like to add new course, I just click this add button. Course name English A1 and course recording method. I'd like to choose automatic cloud recording. Playback permission. Why not? I'd like to allow sound. I can choose just clear voice because if my students will be the musicians, in that case, I will choose fidelity music. Key voice is okay for me. Definition. Supervisory pictures. What does it mean? Well, during the class, if I'd like to just screenshot the room, it will be automatically saved in our back office. Allow invitation is also okay for me. Like remarks B1 students create the course. Yes, we can here see our new course. Here's some operations, actions, edit, authorization, and delete. And I'd like to shadow. Yes, we can see the courses. Can also add new course from here, but we also already created. I choose English 1A, teacher, for example, Tim, teaching assistant, Arthur. And the next section is create lesson section. If you'd like to create multiple lessons, for example, repeat by day or by week lessons, you can, for example, start date, write your start date and the total number of lessons and the time. But I'd like just for one day, for today, for example, let me 6 o'clock, and the duration is 60 minutes, 1 hour. It will end in at 7 p.m. And lesson settings, definitions, okay, okay, okay. Allow invitations. Invitation. What does it mean? For example, when you enter the class, you can see this kind of invitation letter. You can start or invite. If you click invite, this class ID will be copied. So you can just send this class ID to your students. But also, if you'd like just to add students from here, for example, Benjamin also, I can also remove or add also. I have two students, and these two students, when I confirm this class, they will be see here in this scheduled section. This is scheduled English A course at 6 a.m., 1 hour. The teachers are here. So, for example, confirm. And these two students will be see the scheduled course at their calendar. So let me go to the next section. It's teachers. For example, if I have this teachers and they have the license, I can add the new teacher here, for example, by phone, by email, name, remarks, and also we have permission settings. For example, the teacher can create class, playback, supervision also, and definition. Yep, that's all. And thank you so much for being with me. Have a nice day and see you next time. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Bye.